I'm sorry to inform you that there is no surefire way to travel around the world for free. However, there are some methods you can try to minimize your expenses. 1. Work exchange programs. Many tourism destinations have work exchange programs where you can work part-time in exchange for accommodation and food. 2. Volunteer programs. Many volunteer organizations offer free room and board for individuals who want to contribute their skills and time to worthwhile causes. 3. Use Travel Rewards credit card. If you have a good credit score, you can sign up for a Travel Rewards credit card that offers air miles and hotel points that you can use to book flights and accommodation. 4. Hitchhiking. Hitchhiking is a popular and adventurous way of traveling, but it may not always be considered safe. 5. Travel off-season. Prices for airfare, accommodation and activities can be much lower in non-peak travel times. Remember, even if you cannot travel around the world for free, it's still possible to travel on a budget. With careful planning and budgeting, you can experience many amazing destinations without breaking the bank. Don't forget to subscribe and share for more information like this.